welcome back to another video. My name is Sharon McCaskill. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist who specializes in gluten-free living and celiac disease. And I help you live gluten-free with confidence and without the stress. Today I'm doing a simple what I eat in a day video, which means I'm going to show you what myself as well as my family eat just throughout the day. My husband has refractory celiac disease, which means he needs to eat 100% gluten-free. My kids and I do not have a medical need to eat gluten-free. However, most of our meals tend to be gluten-free because I just don't have the patience to make multiple meals every time I cook. We do keep gluten in the house, but we work really hard and we're hyper vigilant to keep everything separate, avoid cross-contact. Our kids have a very good understanding of cross-contact. They're really good about knowing what has gluten, what does not, all that type of stuff. Additionally, I am a vegetarian and I do have a need to eat dairy-free, so you'll see that incorporated into a lot of our meals. The rest of my family are not vegetarians. They do not eat dairy-free, so that does make meals a bit more complicated on top of already needing to be gluten-free and then modifying meals for myself. So my goal in making this video is not to say you need to eat just like me to be healthy or anything like that. There are so many ways to have a healthy diet, so many different types of food that you can eat. I believe that health and nutrition is highly individualized and depends on your personal needs. So my goal in making these videos is to show you that you can make easy meals at home and modify them to fit multiple ways of eating without making it super complicated or overwhelming, because it's totally possible. So if you're interested in learning more about how to eat gluten-free and do that in a way that's not complicated, be sure to hit subscribe and follow along. So today is Saturday. I usually don't film on Saturdays just because there's a lot going on, and we do kind of have a lot going on today. I have been drinking coffee all throughout the morning, but it's already like 10 something and I haven't had breakfast yet, which is really unusual. I usually eat at like 8 a.m. But we're kind of slow moving today and I gotta start moving along because there's actually a lot to do today. A little bit ago, I made my husband and kids smoothies. I did not film that. Sorry, I didn't get everything together. I'll tell you what they had. It was a frozen berry blend with banana, yogurt, and egg white protein. So today is Saturday. I've been slow moving today. It's already after like 10 a.m. and I haven't had breakfast yet. I have, however, been having coffee all throughout the morning. I think this is cup 3. It's kind of a lot of coffee. But I need to start moving along and kicking it into gear here because we have a busy day. I made the kids and Tyler smoothies this morning. I did not film that, sorry, but I can tell you what it was. It was strawberry yogurt with egg white protein, frozen berries, and banana. I'm gonna make myself a smoothie too because I need to kind of eat breakfast while I'm moving along. I have cleaning to do, I have video editing to do, and I would really like to get a workout in today because I haven't done one in a few days and it's Saturday and I should be able to have time to do stuff I want, right? Maybe? So I've got my smoothie base here and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna throw in my smoothie. I kind of just use whatever we have. So first I'm gonna throw in some frozen banana. It's been sitting out for a little bit, so it's already started thawing. I'm gonna add in some frozen sliced peaches. I have some dragon fruit, which I love the color that it adds to smoothies. It's super bright and vibrant, super fun. I'm gonna add some cauliflower rice. That just adds some extra fiber and it really doesn't taste like anything in your smoothie. And a scoop of almond protein. Adding protein to your smoothies is a really good idea. I like adding flavorless protein to my smoothies, but it definitely helps to curb any sugar spikes or anything that you might get from your smoothies. And some water to help it blend. all blended. And ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna take this to go with me and get some cleaning done because I've got dishes to do and stuff. You already ate lunch. What'd you eat?
I made an egg and cheese sandwich on gluten-free bread.
Did it have cheese on it?
Yeah, cheese.
Is that what you just said, egg and cheese sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay, my brain isn't working.
Shredded cheese. If
And
you didn't
eggs?
have any American.
All right. I just exercised and I need to eat because I'm super hungry, but I don't really have time to cook because we're running. We're gonna meet people from church at the bowling alley. It is pouring rain outside. We had like so much snow a couple days ago and it's all gone because of rain. But I'm just gonna throw a bunch of random stuff that we have in the fridge in a salad and call it good.
Hello. I'm gonna eat at the bowling alley and I'm gonna have pizza.
Yeah, the bowling alley is gonna have regular pizza, but probably not gluten-free. So we're gonna have to bring snacks.
Not gluten-free.
All right, so I'm gonna assemble this salad to go. I literally just grabbed what we have available, which is not a lot because I need to go grocery shopping. So I had a little bit of avocado and tomatoes left over that I'm gonna toss into there. I have some shredded carrots left over. I love buying veggies like this that are already prepped. It makes it super easy. I thawed out some edamame the other day, so I'll throw that in it. I have some chickpeas. I thawed out some frozen peas, and that's what I've got. I'm gonna top it with a little bit of balsamic, and I'm gonna eat this in the car. The other thing I did was grab some snacks. Like my daughter said, there's gonna be pizza there. My kids are super excited and they'll be able to eat that, but Tyler and I cannot. So I grabbed this bar for Tyler. We'd never had this brand before, but it tastes really good, but it has dairy. So I grabbed these for me. I think these are really yummy. I like them. And here's some bowling clips because my kids really wanted you to see their bowling skills. And the bowling alley actually did make Tyler a gluten-free pizza and they cooked it on a separate pan and everything. We were surprised, but I can't have dairy, so I still didn't get to eat pizza. Just got home from bowling. Reminds me that I'm a really terrible bowler, but we all had fun, which is great. They even made Tyler a gluten-free pizza, which we did not expect, but above and beyond. So super exciting. He got like a whole pizza to himself. I guess that's sometimes the perk. I still couldn't eat anything because dairy-free and pizza has cheese on it. So I am super ready for dinner. We're going to make one of my super easy sweatpants recipes, fallback recipe. So it's literally just gluten-free pasta with some marinara. I'm also going to cook up these Italian chicken meatballs. These, they just sell at my normal grocery store. I didn't realize they were gluten-free until one time when I just like looked closer at it and realized it because it's just a normal meatball brand. So yeah, these are gluten-free and I'm gonna cook them up for Tyler and the kids. And I'm also going to cook just a steam bag of frozen green beans. Super easy meal. So there you go. That's what we ate today. And honestly, that's a pretty normal day of eating for my family as a whole. The only difference really is that I would have definitely had a more substantial lunch if I had had more time. I just honestly didn't plan well for what time we would have to leave and how much time I would have to make lunch. But we do what we can with the time that we have. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the content that I create. It also lets me know that you want more videos like this one. All the meals that we ate today were all super easy meals, and I think that these easy recipes that you can just throw together without having to give it much thought are so essential for being able to master gluten-free living and make it something that actually works in your day-to-day. If you're looking for more easy gluten-free recipes, then I definitely recommend that you check out my cookbook, Simple and Easy Gluten-Free. It contains 50 recipes that are 100% gluten-free, and they all use 5 ingredients or less. You won't regret getting it because every recipe is so simple and it uses normal gluten-free ingredients, like normal things, no special orders. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and remember that I am here to support you however I can.